In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slow down songs on Soundtrap. If you've got a track that feels a little too fast, or you want more space for vocals and effects, slowing the tempo is a quick, clean way to reshape the groove without changing the key. Start by heading to the Soundtrap website. On the home page, select Log In so you can access your projects in the studio. For this walkthrough, choose Log In with Google, then pick your Google account to continue. Use whatever sign-in method you prefer, but make sure you're logging into the account that holds the project you want to edit. Once you're in, find your project on the home screen and open it in the studio. You'll land on the timeline with your tracks and loops. Click on the track or beat you want to focus on. Tempo changes are project-wide in Soundtrap, but selecting the part you're listening for makes it easier to judge the change as you preview. Now look for the tempo control in the studio interface. Tempo is measured in BPM, beats per minute, and lowering that number will slow the entire song. Click Tempo to open the tempo settings. You'll see the current BPM displayed. To slow things down, decrease the tempo using the minus button or type in a new BPM directly. A good tip is to make small changes at first, drop 5 or 10 BPM, then listen. This helps you find a sweet spot without making the track feel sluggish. Soundtrap's time stretching preserves pitch, so your song won't suddenly drop in key when you reduce the BPM. When you've set the new number, click Apply. This tells Soundtrap to update the project to that tempo. After applying, you may see an option to adjust. Click Adjust so regions and loops are stretched to fit the new timing grid properly. This step helps prevent gaps, overlaps, or awkward transitions when you've changed the tempo. Give the track a listen from a section with drums and melody to hear the full effect. If it's still a bit quick, repeat the same process and lower the BPM a touch more. If you went too far, simply raise the BPM back up or use undo. Remember, the goal is to keep the feel of the song while opening up space for your arrangement. That's it. Visit the site, log in, open your project in the studio, select your track, adjust the tempo, decrease the BPM, apply, and confirm with adjust. You've successfully slowed your song in Soundtrap cleanly and confidently.